my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Sweet Mother Gist TV. I greet you all according to your time. How are you guys doing today, my viewers? If you are just seeing my channel for the first time, kindly do me a favor by hitting that red subscription button that says subscribe. Also on the bell icon, the notification bell, so that anytime I drop new video, you will be first to watch. Hello my correct people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Sweet Mother Gist TV. I greet you all according to your time. Of my people, great iroko don follow. Hey, this one a black Sunday to all the Edos, to all the Benin. Oh my God, all over the world. Epa Osula don go, Chief Osula. Oh my God, may your soul rest in peace, Papa yo. Oh my God, those of una wey be say una no know this our papa, this our Chief Osula, wey dey sing our Edo music, wey sing ebe na we no dey ro ewo dey wa Edo. Oh my God, owari agbona na jo wa baba yare. Oh baba, we miss you, we will miss you. We will miss you so much. Oh my God. My condolences to your family, the family of Osula. This is really sad, my people. Hey, we know say this world wey we come so, nobody will be say e no go. One day, every one of us go. Na make we dey talk and say, make we dey take this life dey easy. Make we dey take things dey easy for this life, because nothing dey this life for my people. This fight wey be say a lot of our Edo people on social media dey fight, e no really good, because one day when one go, the other one must cry. No matter how you go hate that person reach, say the person wey be say you don already know, or you with am na don run things together, you come hear say that person is gone, because who don go is gone forever. It's really painful. You must cry, you must shed tears. May our daddy soul rest in peace, Chief Osula Arale. May your soul rest in peace, Baba. So guys, una know say as we take dey see any updates for inside life, na so we take dey drop am for this our channel. Make we take update una, in case those of una wey never hear say this our papa yo, e don go today, don go meet our Baba God. Oh Baba, we miss you oh. Na your music wey you sing down, na we will take on dey remember you, your sweet song. I love your song so much. When I dey play this our papa music, dey make sense, e dey enter. Bena we no dey ro Edo. Make I leave una, my people. Make una give am RIP. Make una write am for comment section. Bye guys.